Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 1988 Honda C50 in a really nice bottle blue and red seat finish that I think looks very, very smart. Old style engine and instrument clustery gauge thing, and the seagull bars as well on it. So it's kind of old school, last of the old school. It's got a ZV plate on it, and I've taken a picture of the actual VIN on it also, with the chassis number and all that kind of stuff, so you can have a look at that as well. Looks to be kind of somewhat restored, somewhat fettled up a little bit, which is nice. So coming to the rear of the bike, all looking quite good. A little bit of scuffing at the rear here, but the chrome all looking nice. Rear tire looks new. Indicator, brake light, lenses are good. The rear rack here, a little bit of pitting, but nothing too crazy. Nice Honda upholstered seat, the Honda logo at the back, which is nice. Underneath, no real signs of any major rusting, and that's the main thing I can say about the bike. Nothing showing major amount of rust here around it, particularly given the age. Wheels look to be either new or have been refurbished in some way. Rear swing arm looking good. A little bit of chipping of the paint here as well. Probably, I'm not sure. Standard auto part. Looks like it maybe an original exhaust. I'm not too sure. Engine looking okay. It's showing signs of age and pitting definitely on it. Right hand side cover is good, and same with the top of the tank here. We have this kind of a netting here, which you can put your a few bits and bobs in. We've got a key as well with it. That doesn't look original. It's a spurious key, showing 7,302 kilometers on it. And coming up to the front, we have the Honda 50 badging as well. Indicators, everything like that looking good. Little bit of surface on the top here, and then as well the front tire looking really quite nice. So that's it for this 1988 Honda C50. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you want to check out anything else from us, our socials are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and www.retrobikesdublin.com for our website. Thanks for watching.